Are you bored? Do you like exercise?
Do you like adrenaline-fueled activities and being the coolest kid in school and getting all the chicks?
Do you
like having fun? Then the waveboard is for you! Chris, tell me a little bit more about the waveboard. What are the pieces and components that make it up?
Well, it's interesting you asked that, Connor. The waveboard is a very complex thing. The waveboard consists of two main pads. One for your front foot and one for your back foot. Your front and back foot will differ depending on whether you ride goofy or regular.
Regular with your left foot forward and goofy with your right foot forward.
Yeah. The middle of the waveboard is coated with high quality plastic. It's housing an aluminum center.
Aluminum housing and spring.
Spring inside, which will actually bring the physics of the wave, which Connor will explain next. But the board consists of two wheels, about the same size of a typical razor scooter, nuts and bolts to hold them in place, and an axis that allows the wheels to move in a 360-degree motion without being hindered. When you first order a wave, usually they'll have guards over the wheels, but none of ours have guards over them for safety purposes.
Riding the waveboard. Through use of torsion and twisting of the feet, the waveboard is propelled forward by the user. The use of the person shifting their weight and applying force to the waveboard creates propulsion and pushes the board forward. Chris and his brother Justin have been waving for a couple years now, and I've gotten extremely good at wakeboarding. But it's not hard to wakeboard. It only takes a few days to learn.
So Connor, can you tell us more about the science behind street surfing?
I can, Chris. I can do that for sure. Inside the waveboard there's a spring, quite large spring, about 12 inches long, in between the front and back paddle, where you place your front and back foot depending on which style you ride. In the middle of the board, the giant spring, when twisting your feet, actually compresses the spring inside the board and some bearings that are on top of the springs. By doing that, the person riding the board actually creates a propulsion system moving the board forward by carving and pumping the board as you move. The two wheels and bearings on the wheels actually rotate with the person and allow the user to make 360, 180 turns, giving you a better turning radius and carving radius on the board. You also have some pedals on the sides to help you stop.
And then when you're riding around on the waveboard, the figure 8 motion you make makes a weird wave pattern. Can you explain to me something about that wave pattern?
Oh, when riding the wave, depending on how much pressure you apply to the top of the waveboard, either pumping hard and carving hard, shifting your weight to your back and front foot back and forth, it depends on what kind of wave you make or how wide your wave is. A lot like longitudinal and transversal waves. Depending on how much force you apply, the wider the wave you will make, and either slowing you down from moving forward and stopping your motion when you're waving, or giving you tighter, harder turns to make corners easier. Or
that changes the amplitude of the wave.
Yeah, it also changes the amplitude of the wave and the rapid occurrence of the waves.
The wave.
Okay. Oh, that one's so crafty.
Wakeboarding is a fun and unique way to get oriented with science, the outside, and an awesome adrenaline-fueled sport.
So get out there, grab a waveboard, and have fun with your best buds.
Waveboards, $99 at participating realtors.
Check it out at Sports Authority.